Take the Easter egg and it'll magically dye itself. But I can take it and smash it on my
Whoa!
Watch the bouquet of flowers. Look, if I just rub it.
What? That is lame. Better not all do it.
Make it turn into a button. And it's like... What's up guys, real quick, YouTube is going through some changes right now, so please make sure you're subscribed to the channel and tap that notification bell so you see all of our videos. That way you'll get a notification as soon as the video goes live and see the magic as soon as it appears. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today we are doing an extra special edition of How to Magic. This is Easter and April Fool's pranks.
April Fools.
Also, the new Abracadabra t-shirts are live on the shop right now. If you haven't picked one up yet, get one right now. Link is in the description. A lot of people say dabbing's dead. I'm keeping the meme alive. Magic is still very much alive with this t-shirt. And you can help support the channel with this fun new t-shirt design. And it's just fun to say after you do tricks. Abracadabra. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. This first one is a classic Easter food trick that's sure to fool your friends and family. Check it out. Would you like some mini chocolate eggs?
Yes, please.
I got them for Easter.
Can I really?
Yeah.
Is this part of it? Okay. I would love one. These are so... A grape? Who does that?
What is it?
What is that?
What
That is lame. They better not all be like that. Are they all like that? Who does that? I like grapes though, actually. So, joke's on you.
We never wash those.
What?
Yeah, we never wash them.
Ugh!
Ew!
I don't get this trick.
The setup to this one is super simple. Here's how it's done. So really simple setup for this. All you're gonna need are some Cadbury cream eggs or just like mini little chocolate Easter eggs. You're going to start by carefully unwrapping the foil. Once you have the foil carefully unwrapped, remove the chocolate egg and set it aside. The next thing you'll need are some grapes. Try to find a grape that's pretty close to the size of the chocolate egg, and then just very simply load it into the foil and carefully mold the foil back around the grape. Now since the grape is pretty much the same shape as the egg, you're just going to put this foil right back in place. It should look pretty legit. And boom, now that we have the foil shaped back around the grape, it totally looks legit. You can just add this back to the pile, or you can do every single one of them. Remove the chocolate eggs, fill them with grapes, put them in somebody's Easter basket, put them in a bowl on a table for when family and friends come over. Super funny Easter April Fool's food prank that you can do at home right now. And that is how you set up the bait and switch grape trick. Here's an amazing Easter magic trick perfect for the kids in your family. Check it out. Easter's coming up on Sunday, you know that, right? I have a cool trick to show you with this napkin. See the napkin?
Yes.
Empty hand. So what I do is I take the napkin, I stick it down in my fist like this.
Your fist?
You can see it going in. Kind of see how the little flares kind of look like bunny ears a little bit? Look, if I just rub it.
What?
It turns into a button.
So cute. Can I hold it?
Sure. Happy Easter. It's for you.
Oh.
Here's the secret of the magic napkin to Easter bunny trick. So the explanation to the magic silk to rabbit trick is extremely simple. All you need is a little silk scarf right here and the little rubber rabbit. Rubber bunny buggy bumpers. Try that at home. So all you need is the little bunny and the little white scarf. The bunny actually has a hole in the bottom where you can stick the scarf inside. Let me show you. We're gonna start the trick with the bunny concealed in our right hand. And you're gonna pinch the scarf right here at your fingertips. The other hand is gonna mimic the same position. Left hand, right hand, kind of look the same, holding the scarf. Show it back and front. You're then going to show the left hand empty. Move it down here like this. And you're gonna bring the bunny over and transfer it to this hand. Just like that, so that the scarf is covering it. This way you can show this hand relatively empty as you go to stuff the scarf down into the hole on the bottom of the bunny. To the audience, it looks like you're just stuffing the handkerchief down inside your fist. And what's a nice little subtlety is to make little bunny ears out of the last two corners of the silk scarf right here. You can kind of call attention to this and say, see how they kind of look like bunny ears? I just stuff them down in my fist. Watch. We can actually make it turn into a bunny. So the silk scarf just hides inside the bunny just like that. And when you reveal it, everyone's gonna be shocked and amazed. It's the perfect Easter magic trick. Stay tuned until the end of this video. I'm giving away both of these magic props to one lucky comment. And that is how you do the magic Easter bunny trick. Okay, this next one is our how-to magic trick of the week. This week's trick of the week brought to you by shoplaughatlife.com. Pick up cool Laugh at Life gear, sunglasses, t-shirts, wristbands, a lot of other cool gear, and new designs coming soon. The link for that is in the description of this video. It's shoplaughatlife.com. Take 20% off your order now through April 1st with the promo code FOOLS. Make sure you enter that promo code at checkout and you'll save 20% off your order of Laugh at Life gear. Now on to the trick of the week. The trick of the week this week is the magic instant color Easter egg. Check it out. It's gonna take a plain white egg and say watch. All I have to do is just pass it right through my fingers and it looks like it just magically dyes itself. Just as quickly as it dyes itself, it actually undies. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's what you're gonna need to pull off this trick. First off, you're going to need an egg. Using a hard-boiled egg is best, or if you have a plastic egg, that would work as well. You're then going to need a piece of pantyhose. They're also called nylons. You can get a pack of these for super cheap at the store. All you need is the very end of it though. You don't need the whole thing. So we're just gonna snip off the end of the nylons right about here. So separate them and you can put this piece aside. You're then gonna take some markers and pens and some festive Easter colors and color the piece of the nylon. You can put like a fun Easter design on it, or you can just color it in a bunch of different colors. Doesn't really matter, just make it colorful and creative. Good tip is just spread the nylon out between your fingers like this. Makes it a lot easier to color in. So we're just gonna go with all purple on our egg. We really want it to read that it's a different color on camera. So now that you've got your egg sock colored in on both sides, we're ready to let the nylon dry out and then slip it onto the egg. So now that you have it colored in, you're just going to roll it up a little bit, and as you insert it down through your fingers, the nylon is just gonna wrap around it and make it look like the egg has just magically dyed itself. This is very angle sensitive. You wanna make sure your spectator is viewing it from the proper angle, but then making it change back is as simple as slipping the nylon back off of the egg and concealing it in your hand. And that is how you do the magic instant color Easter egg. Okay, this next one is a way to prank your friends and family into thinking that you can magically produce Easter eggs from a very weird place. Check it out. Okay, here is the secret behind this amazing illusion. The secret to this prank are these right here. These are magic foam eggs. Not real eggs, they're actually made of soft, squishy foam. You can use these for a lot of different tricks, but what we're gonna use them for is to make it look like eggs are magically appearing from our mouth over and over. So the way we're gonna do that is with some simple sleight of hand moves and a little bit of sleight of mouth. One of the eggs is actually gonna go in your mouth before the trick starts. The other is going to go in your hand, concealed right here, so that when you come up like this, your hand can be shown empty and conceal the egg behind your palm. What you're gonna do is open your mouth to reveal the egg inside. And then as your hand comes up to grab the egg out of your mouth, you're simply gonna close your mouth, concealing the egg that's in your mouth again, and making this one produce from your mouth. So it looks like you're just grabbing the egg out of your mouth. You then drop this hand to the side and slip that egg into your pocket, or at least you seem like you do. You actually bring your hand back out and just repeat the same exact move. Bringing it up to your mouth, grabbing the egg out, putting it down in your pocket, bringing the hand up, grabbing the egg out of your mouth, putting it down in your pocket. You just repeat that process over and over, and it looks like an endless supply of eggs are coming out of your mouth. Stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm giving away some brand new magic foam eggs to lucky comments in the comment section down below. And that is the secret of the magic coughing up eggs prank. Everyone knows Easter and April mark the beginning of springtime. This is a cool trick that you can do with flowers right now. Watch the bouquet of flowers on the table. You easily perform this magic prank at home right now. Let me show you how. The first thing you're gonna need for this trick are some flowers. They can be real or fake, doesn't really matter. You're also going to need a flower vase and some monofilament fishing line or some string. All you're going to do is take a length of this fishing line, a length of this monofilament, you're gonna cut it and you're gonna attach it to the bottom of the flowers. Just wanna make sure you tie a solid knot all the way at the bottom here. Okay, now that you have the string attached to the bottom of the flowers, you're simply going to lower them down into the vase like this and let the string run right out of the top of the vase just like that. And then you're gonna turn the vase so that this is hidden from your spectator's view and it's running right out of the back. Depending on your performance setting for this, you might have this attached to various places on your body. I actually have it attached to my belt loop right now. It's nice to have it attached to your body because it leaves your hands free. So as you can see, as I slowly move backwards and it puts tension on the fishing line, the flowers begin to slowly rise out of the vase. What's happening is the tension on the line is going right down here and it's pulling the line up and the flower stems up from the bottom. So as I pull back, they rise up. Super easy magic trick that you can set up at home. It requires no sleight of hand whatsoever, and you can add a little magic to your April Fools and your Easter Sunday. And that is the secret of the magic rising flowers. Okay, I have a cool egg trick to show you. Do me a favor, check out the egg.
Okay, is it real?
Normal? Real?
Yes.
Seems totally real, yes?
Yes.
But I can take it and smash it on my
Whoa!
hand. It actually doesn't break, right? You can try.
How did that work?
Try.
No!
Give it a shot.
Not at all.
Why?
Not at all.
You just saw me do it.
No.
It's an invincible egg. All you have to do is smack, and it's like... You actually did it. Woo! You broke the magic egg. Why'd you do that?
I looked down.
Okay, that is it. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button for me and share it with someone who you think might like it. All the likes and shares in the video really do help, so if you take the time to leave a like and share it on your Facebook or Twitter, I really do appreciate that. As I mentioned previously, the new Abracadabra tees are live on the shop right now. You can check that out at the link in the description or at evanaratv.com. We also have a ton of cool magic tricks and other awesome Laugh at Life gear all available now. It is giveaway time. I'm giving away the magic props from this video. The magic napkin to the rabbit trick and the magic foam eggs. I'm going to give away 3 sets of magic foam eggs, so a total of 6 eggs to comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to be eligible to win the giveaway is hit the thumbs up on the video, be subscribed to the channel, and leave a comment. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are these names right here. Send me an email to this email address right here. It's evanaratv.giveaways@gmail.com. Send your full mailing address to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments below. Again, guys, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you see all of our videos. Also have a vlog channel right down here. You can subscribe to that as well. The shop's right down here if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. The last episode of How To Magic is right over there if you missed it. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Have a happy Easter and a prank-filled April Fools.